Does this look familiar? Your Ecovacs Deebot T8 is suddenly doing a weird one-sided shuffle. Maybe it's spinning in circles or just refusing to drive straight. You're likely dealing with a faulty wheel, a surprisingly common headache for Deebot T8 owners. It's not your imagination. One of the driving wheels isn't pulling its weight. Literally, ignoring it? Well, besides driving you crazy, it means patchy cleaning, the robot constantly getting lost or stuck, and potentially even straining the other wheel or internal parts over time. Your smart helper becomes, well, not so smart. And now, you might even be tempted to try a DIY fix with questionable results. Okay, let's talk DIY repair. We see the tutorials online and hey, we admire the can-do spirit. But hold on a second. Your Deebot T8 isn't just a simple gadget. It's packed with sensors, delicate wiring, interconnected motors, and complex circuit boards. It's smarter than your average appliance, which also means it's trickier to fix correctly. Forget fixing the wheel. You might create a bigger, more expensive problem. And what if it isn't just the wheel motor? Misdiagnosing the issue is common in DIY repair. You could replace the part and still have the problem. At RoboCare, we specialize in this exact kind of robot vacuum repair. We know the Ecovacs Deebot T8 inside and out. We have the right tools and diagnostic equipment. We pinpoint the exact problem and fix it safely and reliably. There's no guesswork involved. Our approach is straightforward. Carefully inspect the driving system, pinpoint the exact failure within the wheel module, and perform a professional wheel module replacement using genuine parts. We ensure it integrates perfectly for smooth, balanced operation. But talk is cheap, right? Let's show you the difference expert robot vacuum repair makes, and voila! After a RoboCare precision repair, look at this Deebot T8 Go. Perfect lines, smart navigation, cleaning like it just came out of the box. That faulty wheel is history. Is your robot vacuum acting up? Don't wait. Visit our website today or give us a call to schedule your repair.